Alright, this is the elevator at Longo's in the Rutherford Marketplace in Maple, Ontario. And surprise, surprise, it is not an Otis. It's ThyssenKrupp. Looks like they retained calling this floor U. Oh, this is nice. Ooh. Buttons, or at least the floor buttons, have been replaced with Mad BS buttons, not the ThyssenKrupp ones. A basic hospital-sized elevator, but I do like the color of these walls. It's nice. Well, maybe you don't agree, but I think it's nice. Here we are back at the parking level. That button's actually concave. These are just flat. That one's concaved in. Nope. There it goes. That is it.